Hi guys, Lens here. In this video I am going to show you how you can install a Windows OS system on your iMac. So I have a Windows keyboard. As you can see, the device turned on, but I am going to shut down the device. First, you want to ensure that your iMac is off, and you have to do this with your two hands. You want to hold the Alt key, and while you hold the Alt key you want to power on the device. So this is what we're going to do, and when you do that it will take you into the boot menu. So it's quite simplified, and I'm going to do that quickly. So hold the Alt key and hit the power button, release the power button, keep holding the Alt key on your keyboard. So guys, you can see that we are seeing the Macintosh recovery partition. We also have a Windows partition here, and this is my boot drive in which I have there. So let me show you. So that's my boot drive there, which is the SanDisk memory card, which is the SanDisk flash drive. So that's my boot drive there, which is the SanDisk flash drive. And if you want to install your Windows on your iMac, this is how you can do it. We can go straight ahead and just boot. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and let me know in the comment section if it was. You can also restore your macOS as well. So I do hope that this was helpful guys. Do like, share and subscribe.